Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Rheinmetall demonstrates drone defense systems during Finnish Armed Forces GBAD, Ground-Based Air Defense Demo Days 2025. Rheinmetall successfully demonstrated its countermeasures against small unmanned aerial systems during the Ground-Based Air Defense Demo Days at the Lotaja firing range in Finland. Rheinmetall Air Defense AG took part following an invitation from the Inspector of Air Defense of the Finnish Armed Forces. Despite challenging climatic conditions in a remote forest area, the company delivered what it described as a powerful and professional demonstration. Threat scenarios ranging from jet drones to small quadcopters, along with close cooperation with Organizer XD Solution and the Finnish Armed Forces, highlighted the operational readiness of the systems shown. The demonstration focused on the detection, classification and tracking of drones across different airspaces and flight speeds. Central to the presentation was Sky Spotter, Rheinmetall's multi-sensory early warning and reconnaissance system, designed to protect critical infrastructure and large areas from drone threats. SkySpotter features an open architecture allowing the integration of various sensors and effectors, and a rapidly deployable version mounted on a Rheinmetall HX truck was presented with support from Rheinmetall Manned Military Vehicles GmbH. An integrated system combining SkySpotter, dislocated passive emitter locator sensors, and a deployable C2 shelter was also demonstrated to ensure effective command and control while protecting operating personnel. The system can counter threats using directional jammers, interceptor drones and the revolver gun 30mm, which is currently in the conceptual phase and employs programmable KETF kinetic energy ammunition. The GBAD Ground-Based Air Defense Demo Days 2025 have impressively highlighted the importance of partnership-based cooperation in the further development of modern air defense capabilities, said Oliver Dur, head of the Electronic Solutions Division, adding thanks to the Finnish Armed Forces, industry partners, and Finnish partner Oi Telva for their contribution under realistic conditions. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.